If you are getting weird spikes in traffic from foreign countries or unauthorized users trying to enter your site with login attempts, you're not alone. I was dealing with this a little bit back in March this year and then really in May. And I wanted to show you exactly how I use Wordfence on Inspire to Thrive to stop and block the bot traffic from these unauthorized users and traffic from these foreign countries. Let's get to it. Bot traffic from certain countries was filling up my logs. It was slowing things down and creating a bunch of failed login attempts. Even if they're successfully not hacking the site, they waste server resources and clutter up your analytics. So here's how to set it up. Go to Wordfence and go to the firewall. And under firewall, you will see blocking. And that's where you can add in different countries. If I wanted to add, say, United States, and you'd filter and doesn't show any. Why doesn't it show that? Oh, I got to do country. So if it gave you United States would come up here or the underlying islands, and you would add it that way. As you can see, I had a couple here done. You can also do it by IP address. So those are the two ways that you can do the blocking there. And let's see. I'll go back into the dashboard so we can get back and see it. Blocking. There, so you can see some of the blocking. So that's how you can block the country. You can do the whole section or you can pick part of a country. However, it is a premium feature. The free version does not include it. And the premium is $149 a year, which comes to just over $12 a month. Well worth it to not have the country sending the most unwanted traffic to the site. And once you do that, you'll notice that your spikes drop significantly in the traffic. The login attempts become much quieter, and you stop seeing the same foreign IPs hammering the site every day as I had. WordFence is still a free plugin for WordPress that you can use for basic firewall and malware scanning. But if bot traffic from other countries is a real problem for you, as it was for me, the country blocking feature alone makes premium worth it for me. I run the premium on Inspire to Thrive for the real-time protection in this exact feature. I do not use it on the other two sites because I wasn't getting that much of the bot traffic like I was here. I'll leave my WordFence affiliate link in the description if you want to try it out. And I'd love to know, have you dealt with foreign bot traffic before? Let me know in the comments what's also worked for you. That's it. It's simple but effective. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.